Hey everyone, there's a new rumor going around that the Trump administration is considering signing an executive order that would limit birthright citizenship. In this video, I'm going to share with you the important details that you need to know about, including who would likely be targeted in such an executive order. So make sure to stick around. Hi everyone, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael Ashoori and I'm a US immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles, California. At my law firm, we regularly post videos to make sure that you're up to date with what's going on in immigration. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button now. So let's get started. As I mentioned earlier, we're hearing more and more rumors that the Trump administration is considering putting forth an executive order that limits birthright citizenship. So what is birthright citizenship? Well, birthright citizenship is the law that when somebody is born in the United States, they're automatically a US citizen. Next question, where is the legal authority for birthright citizenship? Well, it's found in the 14th Amendment, and I'll read that to you right now. The 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. So that's where the legal authority comes for birthright citizenship. So now that we understand what birthright citizenship is and where the legal authority comes from, let's talk about what's going on specifically. Well, again, in recent days, we've been hearing rumblings and rumors that the Trump administration is considering signing an executive order which limits birthright citizenship. So again, notice how I'm using the word limit. We're not talking about a complete denial of birthright citizenship. This would likely target certain classes of people. And in particular, there are two classes of people that we anticipate that such an executive order would target. Who are those classes of people? Well, the first type of person that would likely be targeted by such an executive order would be the children of undocumented immigrants. Again, the children of undocumented immigrants. And the second class of people that would likely be targeted by such an executive order would be the children of short-term visitors to the United States. For example, a couple that entered on a B1, B2 visitor visa and had a child born in the United States. That would likely be another class of persons that would be impacted and targeted by such an executive order if it were in fact signed. So now that we know birthright citizenship, what it is, where the legal standing is, and what the executive order, if it is signed, would likely do and who it would likely target, I want to tell you what I think would happen. Well, if an executive order is signed that limits birthright citizenship, I believe that it would most certainly face legal challenges. And it would end up in court and it would end up being litigated, and the court would ultimately decide the outcome. So again, we're going to closely monitor to see whether an executive order is signed, and if so, what the specifics are. And in the event that an executive order is signed, we'll closely monitor for any legal proceedings that would follow. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I just wanted to give you this quick update. I hope you guys found this information extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. As always, we want to keep you guys up to date. We want to keep you informed with what's going on in immigration. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.